Today I want to review this Dyco tire pressure gauge, air pressure gauge. Just want to point out some of the features that this end swivels and this end swivels, which makes it easy to connect to a valve stem regardless of position. I have checked the accuracy on this one at my motorcycle track days, and it seems to be very accurate. The specs say within 0.5%, but I found that it matches other tire pressure gauges that I compare it to. So I'm just going to show you some of the features. Just turn it on. It has PSI, KPA, and bar, depending on how you want to measure and what units. In addition, it's 0 to 200 PSI, and I'm just going to show you real quick that there's my reading on this tire. So I give it like 4 or 5 stars easily. I found it to be extremely accurate when needed to do, and on a motorcycle with tire pressure at track day, you need that accuracy because sometimes you're trying to just change it to 1 to 2 psi and remain there. So yeah, I highly recommend this tire pressure gauge as a good tool to have in your toolbox, regardless of where you're at or what you need.